Good afternoon, guys. How are we all going? Welcome to a lovely rainy day again in Jam Jar City. As you can tell, I'm sitting outside underneath my lovely thing there so I don't get wet. Got me washing hanging under here as well. Man, it's cold today. It's freezing, but I'm wearing a t-shirt outside just because I'm being inside. And as you can tell, I've only washed my hair once since I dyed it, right? So the colour hasn't stuck to bits of it. And like, my nice blue has literally gone mental. Like, it's not sticking to my hair. So, yeah, anyway, we'll get over that. I'm not really worried. It's only friggin' hair, isn't it, mate? Alia's just finished making Boomy's birthday cake. It's a birthday tomorrow. Lockdown birthday for her. She's gonna have a birthday here with us, and hopefully Eli will make it, and Nanny and Grandy and stuff like that. You know, just our close bubble people. You know, yeah, so that'd be cool. Big chocolate cake too. Alia's made. She's made it a few times at her dad's house. I had to steal the recipe. This rain is really loud, and I don't know if you guys can hear me very well. I hope you can. Update on the TV saga. So last night, yesterday afternoon, just after Jim got home, it completely died. Like, completely died. And yeah, I'm upset. Just gotta remember, it's not a person, eh? Yeah. But as people would know, that's my mental health. It's what I've used for years and years and years. You come into my home, my TV's always going. It's my noise. Yeah. I did cry again. Yep, definitely cried again. I think the girls are starting to understand what it meant to me. That to have it broken, you know. But older brother, good man, Eli, gave us back the TV we gave him, so I've got a little bit of sanity until I get a new one. Yeah. No, you got to do what you got to do when you've got mental health issues, and yeah, you got to get through the day, especially when the kids can't go to school, so you got to try and keep sane. My smoke's gone out, never a good sign. Yeah, so that's about it. There's not much really going on today. Fire's going inside, boys playing, girls are doing their thing. Rain's really loud under here. Yeah. Have a great day, guys, and, you know, keep on trucking. Bye, Jamja.